friends, today's recipe is a quick, effortless preparation that wears a restaurant or dhaba style. Any guesses? Well, it is the Paneer Bhurji recipe. Paneer Bhurji is scrambled cottage cheese which is sautéed with capsicum, onions, garlic, ginger and a wide array of spices. Quick and easy to make and yet so flavorful and aromatic. This authentic style Paneer Bhurji can be metamorphosed into Paneer Bhurji frankies, Paneer quesadillas, Paneer wrappers, Paneer parathas and many more. With this recipe, you can prepare and enjoy a delectable Paneer Bhurji with rotis, parathas or naans. Friends, if you have not subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications. As for now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 large onions finely chopped, 250 grams grated paneer, 1 medium tomato chopped, 1 small capsicum finely chopped, 1/8 cup fresh green peas, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, 2 green chilies finely chopped and a few chopped coriander leaves. Then we have 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, half inch cinnamon stick, 1 big cardamom, 2 small cardamoms and 3 to 4 cloves. Here you can use either homemade or readily available paneer. And always remember, spices need to be adjusted according to your taste. I will make this desi recipe in a karai. For this, heat oil in a karai. Add the cloves, cardamoms and cinnamon. After some time, we will add the onions, the chopped onions, and saute them till light brown. You need to stir occasionally so that the onions don't get burnt. The flame should be low to medium. Gradually, you will see the color changing. First, it will turn light pink, transparent, and then it will start turning to light brown. Make sure that the onions are uniformly chopped so that they brown evenly. Whenever you buy a karai, make sure that it has got a heavy bottom so that you can cook without burning the food. Now add the chopped ginger and garlic, saute it well. Now we are getting that light brown color. Time to add the green chilies. Give it a mix. Stir occasionally. Keep a watchful eye. Flame should be on low. The best thing about this recipe is that there's really nothing much to do once the chopping is over. It is basically sautéing. Now we will add the chopped tomatoes. We will cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy and then proceed to add the other spices. Now we add the turmeric powder, salt, Always remember to adjust according to your taste. The red chili powder and the coriander powder. After that, mix and saute again. Now we add the chopped capsicum and give it a stir. It already has a dhaba style with the rustic look. Now time to add the cottage cheese or the paneer, which has been grated already. Mix nicely so that the spices are incorporated into the paneer. It is these spices that lend the aroma and flavor to the paneer bhurji. Lastly, add the boiled green peas. This is entirely optional. Add the kasuri methi. And again saute for a while. The flame should be low. Just add a little bit of water and then we will simmer the bhurji for 5 to 7 minutes so that all the spices get infused into the paneer. It has to be done on low flame. Now sprinkle some garam masala powder and some chopped coriander leaves. Now cover and cook on low flame for a few minutes and that's it. You're ready with the paneer bhurji. I hope you have savored this video recipe as much as I have. I'll be delighted to receive your comments and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video among your friends. Soon I'll be back with another interesting recipe. Till then, goodbye.